Hi there, hello, how's your day going? Good? Good. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, let me just tell you that I'm Lady Divine. I'm Lady Divine here on YouTube, on my Instagram, on my Facebook page, on social media basically. But I'm a pro makeup artist and I recently moved to the UK, and this is why I started doing my YouTube videos in English. And while we're here, I know you want to be subscribed to my YouTube channel because I am giving all the makeup secrets, pro tips and tricks, and always trying to make it easy for you at home to achieve different professional makeup looks. So don't forget to click that bell button because we will have some fun together, I promise. I hope. So today I went shopping for you guys. Yes, I did. I went to Superdrug because I wanted to test and to buy the best eyeliner, black eyeliner, and the best black eyeshadow for the ultimate black smoky makeup look. I was so delighted to go shopping again after such a long time, but I completely forgot about the fact that there are no makeup testers in the stores anymore. Yep, we cannot test the makeup in the stores right now because of the virus, which is good. It's very safe for us. But at the same time, I have struggled so much today to buy the perfect palette, to buy the perfect product. And of course, I ended up buying things that I later realized are not what I was expecting them to be. But in the end, we will always make them work. So as I was saying, I went there to buy one black eye pencil and one black eyeshadow. Of course, I ended up buying a lot of stuff. Good thing they were relatively cheap. I've struggled a lot with the eyeshadows because there were no testers out there, so I was standing there for an entire hour researching online, looking for swatches, looking for colors. I couldn't manage to find a single eyeshadow, a single black eyeshadow in Superdrug. I think I saw only one from Rimmel, which didn't seem to be quite pigmented and quite black. And this is why I ended up buying an entire palette from Revolution. It's the Black Ice palette, which seemed to have black eyeshadows in it. As we will find out together in this makeup tutorial, they are not the blackest black eyeshadow, but paired with a black eyeliner, they work pretty well. When I'm doing professional black smoky looks on my clients, of course, I go for the waterproof version, and I also use the Inglot 77 eyeliner gel. It's a waterproof eyeliner, so it can create the best, the blackest, the most resistant black smoky. But as I was saying, here on my YouTube channel, I want to make things easier for you, and I know that working with waterproof eyeliner gels might not be as easy as working with a kohl eye pencil or with a simple black eye pencil. And yes, today I wanted to show you how to achieve a perfect, the deepest, darkest smoky look with drugstore products. It was hard for me to find something, but I suffered so that you won't suffer. I then went and purchased some items from Essence Cosmetics because I really didn't know what to expect from the Black Ice palette from Revolution. I kind of didn't trust the eyeshadows. In the end, I really like how these eyeshadows swatched, and I was kind of impressed with how this Essence eyeshadow swatched too. It's the 04 Soul eyeshadow. It's black, it's a black eyeshadow, and it definitely is darker than the blacks in the Black Ice palette, but I only use this palette because I wanted to test it out, and I wanted to give it a verdict if you could work with this palette an entire smoky look. And yes, and I must say I'm very impressed with the packaging. It gives me kind of like maybe NARS vibes. Yes, it's a nice package, and you will see in this tutorial how these eyeshadows work, but I'm wearing them right now, so this is basically a preview. I've got some other cool items from Essence. This waterproof mascara from Essence, the Lash Princess mascara. I like the packaging. The mascara is okay. I was curious about this one because my favorite YouTuber recommended it. I'm talking about Bailey Sarian. I don't know if you follow her, but I love her. I recently discovered her and she's such a cool chick. And then I found this color intensifying eyeshadow base from Essence. I remember like 9 or 10 years ago, I was using this eye primer. I discovered it and I loved it. I think I rebought it so many times, and I was curious if after so many years and after trying so many other primers, would I like this primer as much as I did the first time. You will discover it and you will see this next. I also bought this Face Fast Base Stick Foundation from Revolution. I thought I would try something new for my cream contouring, and it's in the shade F10. It's lighter than other shades, but I chose this one because the darker ones tend to give me like some orange hues, which I don't mind when I'm bronzing, but when I'm already using a compact bronzer which is very warm and orangey, I don't need a orangey stick foundation. So I think I really chose wisely. And I was also looking for some very cheap eyelashes that would be like cool looking, and these lashes from Little Mix really intrigued me because I've never had like these lashes that are going everywhere, and I said yes, we are definitely trying this pair today. So today we're doing like this kind of almost editorial black smoky look, and I went overboard with it because I know that I have to go one step further in order to convince you to not be afraid to try different shapes in makeup, to not be afraid to go lower on your lower lash line, to inspire you to go one step further, because you might really enjoy the transformation. I will of course do a softer version on my second channel, so on Fridays you might check the other channel too to see kind of like a different interpretation of the same makeup. I'm really trying to discover drugstore versions for you because I really want to make these tutorials easy for you to replicate, easy for you to buy the makeup that I use, and maybe sometimes to get the best items on the market at the lowest price. With that all being said, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, maybe share with a friend, and I'm so excited to read your feedback down below in the comments. Now let's see together how do we create this smoky, dark smoky makeup look. Enjoy! Prepping our lids. I didn't remember this eye primer to be so liquidy. I always like simple, slightly hydrating eye primers, and this one is 100% that, and you will love it if you've got dry lids. However, for the pencil technique I love so much, it's not the ideal primer. I got so excited seeing this duo eye pencil / marker at its price. It's very efficient to get a kohl pencil together with a felt tip eyeliner. The kohl glides beautifully without dragging and tucking the skin. Using it in a traditional manner, you will get a very nice base for your makeup. However, again, for a pencil technique, you really need another type of pencil, a drier formula with a classic type of lid. And here I was trying to use to hatcher the shape, but I quickly realized it would be impossible, so I switched to another pencil. And this one is from Maybelline, which, was okay, but it's not the blackest pencil there is. I'm still on a hunt for the blackest drugstore pencil appropriate for the pencil technique. If you've already discovered it, please tell me your secret in the comments below. We need to blend the pencil into a desired shape, and I'm continuing the hatchering and the blending until I'm pleased with the shape and with the intensity. You can see that I always use this type of shape that is hugging my eyeball, going down on my lower lash line until I meet my first lower crease, and then going above my upper crease. Blending, blending, blending. Always blend. Now it's time to come back with the second layer, the dry layer that will set our creamy pencil in place and will give us the opacity we desire. No pencil will last on its own on our lid, no matter how waterproof it claims to be. So tap carefully the eyeshadow on top of the same shade we created and blend accordingly. The secret to a perfect black smoky is always the blending. Get ready to intertwine every step of the makeup with a little bit of blending. Apply, blend, apply, blend, so on and so on until you are pleased with what you've got. Blend, blend, blend. Now we need to infuse the makeup with some transition colors. I don't want them to be very visible. I just want to use them to help the black pigment transition into my skin. Let's not forget about our brow bone. It's very important to keep that area clean. I know that a black smoky might be very intimidating for you, but what you should keep in mind is that a smoky makeup doesn't look good until you've made all the steps necessary. You have to finish the entire makeup to see that it actually makes sense. You can avoid going so low on your lower lash line if you're not into the grungy vibe, but don't forget that we are going to blend in some concealer when we're going to be cleaning everything up, and that will eventually erase some of the eyeshadow. Going so low on your lower lid is a much more modern approach, but I'm all in for a more classical interpretation too, of course. I have applied the kohl pencil on the rest of my lid. I like this pencil for this part because it glides like a dream and it blends easily and it creates the perfect grip for the black eyeshadow. More blending now. As I said before, you just have to blend after every step you make. Every step you make. So sorry, I'm voiceless. With a clean brush, I'm brushing away some black here and I get ready for the concealer part. Leave some space between the black and the concealer because we will need that space to blend the concealer. The trick here is to get a perfectly blended eyeshadow into the skin and not a sharp line. Whenever I see that type of black smoky, all I can think of is, oh, here's a lazy makeup artist that didn't want to blend everything better. Keep blending with a synthetic brush and then with a sponge and keep everything clean and spotless. Some cream contouring to warm up the face. I must say I am pretty impressed with this fast base stick foundation. I can't wait to buy some more colors because it blends so easily and I like the luminous finish. Contrary to my beliefs, this is not drying and it has high coverage. highlighting before applying the powder to get a better grip and a wetter finish for the highlight. And now, of course, the powder. Using a powder puff for more pressure on problematic areas, such as the dark circles and the areas where I've got humongous pores. And then a larger brush for the other areas where I don't want too much powder on. Let's bronze, baby, because it's summer outside. And I think that a black editorial Smokey as this one looks better on a warmer complexion. Lash Princess from Essence on my lashes. Light in the inner corner, press it on. And let's not forget to add the definition back into the inner corner with the felt tip liner from Revolution. Lashes on. Separation. Yep, that's it. I thought I would be trying something new with today's tutorial, so I hope you enjoyed my voiceover tutorial. Just tell me in the comments below which version you like more. Do you like the voiceovers? Do you like the real-time tutorials? What would you like to see more on my channel in the future? Of course, I'm always getting that question, where would I wear this kind of makeup? Wear it for cool pictures. You can create this on set for editorials. And of course, whenever the clubs open, you can wear it every weekend at the club. Me, I am going to take some shots with this makeup on, some stories to let you know I've posted this tutorial, and then I'm going to wash everything off and go to sleep. I really hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, guys. I know you really like the drugstore version of everything, and this is why I'm doing it for you. Let me know in the comments below what kind of makeup looks, what kind of makeup secrets you want me to drop on you, and I of course will listen to you and give you whatever you want. I will be seeing you on my Instagram page for the rest of the week. I hope you have a good one. Kisses. See you in my next tutorial. Bye bye.